Hey guys, we are back with another video, and this time I have my girl with me again for another video, Mariame. Thank you again for being in this video, and let's get right into it.
Be grateful.
I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, but I'm very excited to get back into the groove of things while I'm on break from school. So this video was filmed a while ago, and again, Mariame, I appreciate you so much for being in this video. This workout consists of basic leg exercises such as squats, deadlifts, lunges, hip thrusts. So it's a really good one. And of course, before we get any further, don't forget to squat on that subscribe button for me for more fitness videos. See what I did there? And go ahead and comment any other videos you'd like to see from me or from us. Go ahead and press the like button, and I hope you enjoy. In case you have not seen our previous video, we have a Smith machine workout video, and it is so good, so be sure to check it out. And of course, Mariame is a beast, so she makes this workout look so easy. I mean, look at her go. And I will be putting down her Instagram for you guys to check her out. You guys don't know this, but that day I messed up my sciatic nerve. Well, I'm pretty sure it was my sciatic nerve. And I was away from the gym for a whole month afterwards. I couldn't go back because it was just so painful. So during this whole workout, I am in so much pain, and I couldn't even show it. I had to play it off. As you guys can see, Mariame's got this, but you guys do not have to go at the same tempo that she is. You can slow it down and just take control of the movement. Alright, so I have to admit that using a bench that height is a little too high for me because I'm short. I'm 5'2". So if you could find one of those steppers that has a little height to it, that would be best for somebody like if you're the same height as me. But when hip thrusting, you definitely want to keep your chin tucked and keep your core tight. Just have your lower body doing the movement, and squeeze your glutes as you come up. Or you can even hold it for a few seconds up there. So this is the last exercise, and it is reverse lunges. So a tip for when we're doing reverse lunges, I like to focus on one spot on the floor during the whole time. I find that it helps with keeping my balance. And if you find that you need more depth, as in your knees are hitting the floor, you can definitely add a plate under the foot that is forward, the one that's not moving. And remember to just take your time when doing the exercise. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to squat on that subscribe button for me. I will be coming with more videos. Keep an eye out, and don't forget to be grateful.